Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your network with FutureLearn easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your network with FutureLearn, start by creating an account on the platform. Visit the FutureLearn website and click on the sign up button. Fill out the necessary information, including your name, email, and password. After registering, explore the wide range of courses available. Choose a course related to your field of interest or career goals. Enroll in the course by clicking on the Join button. Once enrolled, engage actively in course discussions. Participate in comments, share your insights, and ask questions. Look for networking opportunities within the course, such as study groups or forums. Reach out to fellow learners by sending messages or connecting on social media. Consider joining FutureLearn's official social media groups for your course. Attend live webinars or virtual meetups hosted by FutureLearn. These events provide excellent opportunities to connect with industry professionals. Share your successes and experiences related to the course in discussions. This will help you build your reputation among peers. Follow up with individuals you connect with by sending personalized messages. Express your interest in their work and suggest potential collaborations. Explore additional courses or learning pathways that interest you. Continuing your education expands your network further. Engage with alumni and past participants through FutureLearn's community features. Stay active in networking activities, as consistency is key. Lastly, always be open to new connections and experiences. With dedication and effort, you will see your network grow effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.